Hello, welcome to my channel, World Kitchen. Today we're going to make a Japanese chicken named of Karaage. My daughter who's the one's going to cook today. I'm just an assistant. Alright, this is the ingredients that we are going to use. We cut the chickens like a chicken nugget size, so bigger, little bit bigger on the chicken nugget size. Alright.
So I'm going to go ahead and marinate the chicken. For karaage, everyone has a different recipe for their marinade, but one thing that remains consistent is these three ingredients: soy sauce, sake, and ginger. So let's go ahead and marinate this chicken, I guess. So let me start off with 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sake, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Preferably roasted, but anything is fine. And we're gonna go ahead and mix until well combined.
How long is that marinade?
At least 15 minutes. Some people say that the sweet spot is 30 minutes, but I'm going to go ahead and marinate it for 45 minutes.
No.
Now that we're back, it's time to dredge our marinated chicken. You can use any flour or starch to coat the chicken, but the most popular option is potato starch. You can find this in any Asian market, but if you can't find it, cornstarch is also a good option, as well as all-purpose flour. I mean, basically anything, but the reason why we use potato starch is because it produces a lighter, crispier coating when you fry it. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with half a cup of it in a bowl, but
you can just add it if you need some.
yeah.
Okay. Because you don't know exactly how much the amount for the flour. Alright. Not your assistant.
Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and do it now.
Okay.
You want to do it lightly, just to...
Very light?
Well, not very light, just like not heavy. Like that's good enough. Make sure it's like that. Make sure everything is coated. And I'm gonna go ahead and, oops,
I can wait to try that.
put it on the rack. And basically just keep doing this
Yeah. Okay.
until you're done with all of your chicken.
I guess.
Yeah.
Keep doing it.
Yep.
You want me to help you?
If you want.
So basically it's like chicken nuggets. This is a Japanese chicken nuggets, I guess.
Yeah, Japanese fried chicken.
Chicken.
I Make sure you, lightly, not too heavy.
That's light.
Yeah, I know. I'm just saying.
So what's the plan next time?
I don't know.
I know you like creating also food like me. That's why we have this channel. Because we like to eat. We like to try all kind of food. I might also, it looks interesting to me, the Pakistani food. I see this like Karaage chicken. I'm looking on that, but I need to like look for different way to cook it on my own version, but I have to research first. So you like Japanese? I noticed that.
Yeah.
How about noodles?
Noodles.
Like how you you did try before. What was that? The black one? Oh, that wasn't the.
It's Korean.
That was Korean. Yeah.
Jjajangmyeon. It's my favorite.
Oh, you should cook that one day. That was chicken.
It's any meat that you want.
I see. So you can.
I think pork is standard, but
you know I don't like pork.
yeah, I know. The chicken is okay too.
How about beef?
Oh, beef is okay too. I mean, personally, I like mine without meat, but
What else you put in there?
I've seen ones where they put seafood.
So how we cook this one? We fry this?
Yeah.
Dang, this is a lot of work. It's a lot of work, Missy. So we haven't tried this one yet, right?
Yeah.
So I hope this is successful. It looks good, and it smells good. There you go. Let's go ahead to heat up the oil. You can start frying them. Then I will continue cooking this little guy. Japanese nuggets. This is the size of nuggets here. I'm faster than you.
I know.
Just tip it fast. Then bang bang bang.
I can't help that.
Now you search something else food that you can cook. You become like mom. Huh? Well, you're my daughter, so maybe that's the, what's it called that now?
DNA. It's in our DNA.
Alright.
Genetically engineered to be your carbon copy.
Yes. That's right. You like to eat? I like to eat too. I like to cook different food, and you also do. Wow, you copycat.
No.
Just joking. If I jump, you jump. I don't get.
Not that similar.
I don't think so. I'd rather die by myself than
Aye.
you. And then you continue doing this.
Oh my god. Okay.
Right?
I guess. What are you talking about that?
Yeah, it is. It's just really fun to start creating your own, what's it called this? Your own cooking. You search different kind of food.
Okay, so it's time to fry our chicken. I'm going to be using a double fry method, and just like the name suggests, I will be frying the chicken twice. And that's just to ensure a crispy outside. Okay, so for the first fry, you're just going to fry until it's like light gold on the outside.
Careful your hands. Okay.
Sorry for the lousy lighting. We have a blackout. Anyways, we're going to move over to this butane stove and just continue like that. So this is basically what it should look like after the first fry. So you're gonna fry it for like 90 seconds on each side if you're using like shallow oil, but if you're using like deep frying, like the deep fry, then I think 90 seconds overall is okay. But yeah, I just did 90 seconds on both sides, and this is what it looks like. I'm gonna put it on the oil for like around 40 seconds per side. And it should be slightly darker than this, slightly crispier. Yeah, go. Also hot enough.
Uh-oh. Ouch! That's another batch, second batch. So that's the last batch.
Oh, yes.
Okay, here is the Japanese food that my daughter cooked. What was the call of this one, sweetheart?
Karaage.
Karaage. Karaage. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel, and share with your friends and your family. We are so dark in here. We just using the flashlight or that Coleman right there. This is blurry. Alright.
As far as sauces or condiments go, I mean, that's really your business. You can use whatever you want for that. Like, if you want ketchup, then you can use ketchup. This is sweet chili sauce. That's one option. You could also just use Japanese mayonnaise, but a sauce that I really like doing is a combination of Japanese mayo and sriracha. So basically all I'm going to do is take equal parts of both and mix it. Should I do like 3 maybe?
That's fine.
Okay.
How many tablespoons of that?
Oh, I just kind of did 3 spoonfuls of sriracha, and then I'm gonna follow it up with 3 spoonfuls of Japanese mayo. Like I said, basically just equal parts of whatever. No need for exact measurements, just a 1-to-1 ratio will do it. Okie dokie. And now we mix. There you have it. Sriracha mayo.
Okay, let's try what you cook.
Okie dokie.
Alright. Let's try it together. Just dip it like that or just use the spoon?
Whatever you want to do.
Just dip it.
Just dip. Good.
It's actually really good. Crunchy. You can really cook.
Thanks.
Huh? How about that? It's good that with that sauce.
With this one.
This one is so. You put too much kuratsa.
Sriracha.
I know, I just say kuratsa to make it fun.
Yeah, that's good with that.
Yeah, it goes with that, huh? Sweet and sour sauce. Alright, sweetheart. Thank you so much for my guesting my cooking. And that was really good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you so much. And that is really good. We need to create another one again. You're going to cook also. You're going to cook again.